Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? It's Dr. Crypto here. We are finally back with another market update session. Today, we will analyze BTC on 4-hour time frame only. On my previous market update session, BTC was around this area when I told you that it will drop, and then it was basically around this area when I told you that we are forming a potential trend line, and then it will take a bounce. And what will be our targets? Our targets will be around 24,000 and 24,500. So we basically on previous 2 3 days we traded with you guys as well as with my VIPs the XRP trade. The XRP trade gave us almost 90% profit, and we traded the same move with you guys always, also my Telegram channel. And the other trade we took was BTC. We actually took a risky trade, and we went short on BTC around this area. We were basically taking counter trades. We were going against the trend, and this was basically our target was quite lower zones, which unfortunately hit stop loss. So basically we suffer stop losses as well. But on my previous video market update session, BTC was around this area when I told you that we will see a potential bounce in price, and same happened. 24,000 got hit, but basically I was trying to hunt some counter trades, so that's why we took BTC trade, which gave us 30% loss with 10x leverage. So basically loss is also the part of game. Okay, so you have to suffer your loss, and you have to accept your losses. Okay, it's basically the key if you want to grow your portfolio. Okay, so you have to accept your losses. It's basically very small loss, 30% loss with just 10x leverage. Okay, so let's get into the video. What's happening right now in market? We have an area of inefficiency. Basically this is an area of order block. It has been refined based on 2-hour time frame analysis. So if we get deep into this analysis, we would see that we basically have we had a break of structure right here, and then this was our low, which just got broken, and we had second break of structure. This indicated that the trend has basically now shifted, and if you were trying to long that, then that would be counter longs. Okay, going against the trend. So what's happening right now? We have area of inefficiencies. That is, one is area of this area, and the other is basically this area of imbalance, and this order block right here, and the other is this area of inefficiency, and the third one is basically this huge imbalance. Okay, so this is all areas of inefficiency where liquidity basically lies. And if we see the same chart, if we zoom it, we would see that we were potentially forming a trend line which just got broken by this all move up. So liquidity always lies above the trend lines, and this all those people who were short from here, basically we were also one of them who were short from here. The market manipulators went the market against them, and they all got liquidated, and now price is going to hit this area of inefficiency. Okay, so what's the current scenario? What I am trying to see is we have area of inefficiency in this area. If price maintains to stay below this, then we will target the areas of inefficiency which are below this the order block based on 2-hour time frame. The first is this area, which target is in between 23,800 to 22,900. So this is the first area we would be seeing to find possible opportunity to long BTC from this area, or might be from this area, but that depends. We will confirm it if price is going to come to our area. And the third zone is this area, and the fourth zone is this massive area of imbalance. So we can see that much liquidity obviously lies below the below these areas, as it is above this. Okay, so what would be the case that this analysis would be failed? That would be the scenario if price failed, if price breaks this high. Okay, so this is very important zone for price to maintain its bearish trend. If price breaks above this area, then this would be the move. Price will move up and then will come down to fill this area of inefficiency, then we'll try to long it from this zone. Okay, so this is the scenario. If price breaks this, it will move up and then down, and then we'll find opportunities to long it from here, or might be long from here. Okay, so while it will be moving towards this area, we will be finding counter shorts, and we will give you the trades on my free Telegram channel, as well to my VIPs on Discord also. Okay, so what is the scenario I am expecting. I am expecting that this area would be validated and we will possibly find shorts from this area and targeting this and this area. So if this gets broken, then we will wait for the price to medicate into our area of inefficiency, then we'll find long opportunities from that area. But currently I am expecting that price should come down from this area. Okay, so this would be acting as area of resistance, then will move down towards this area or this area. Okay, so this was today's market update session. Hope so it's clear for you to predict the next move. Make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and join me on Telegram if you want a free trading signals. So that's enough for today. Thank you very much.